Good day to the Kringle community all over the world. Happy Friday to every one of us. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorunlu Ayinde, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the many voices of TBC around the world. Today, I have some reflections. Today, I have a lot of things to share with the Kringle community and also for as many that are watching this broadcast. If you can look on my screen, you will see a screenshot of the cutoff of the numbers on our call team. The present number is 7,021. Slot has already been taken out of the 11,111 slots. And if you can see it here, if you now subtract the present number, which is 7,021, from the expected number of the curtain, which is 11,111, we have 4,090 slots available. These positions are meant to be filled by members. The core team is gradually getting filled up. Don't trade your position for ignorance nor procrastination. Pay your billionaire program fee now and get on board. Delay is dangerous and regret is bitter. Act fast. Are you listening to me right now? If you can't pay the annual fee, simple, pay the monthly program fee. 8 grains. Period. Guys, do all within your best to ensure that you come on board. Now, my sincere concern. Guys, this is a sincere concern. I wonder if many who heard about TBC, or as many who heard about K-Love, refuse bluntly to register, and many keep procrastinating. This is pure and simple reasoning. Okay, let's do this. Let's do the analysis. Registration into TBC is free of charge. Now, payment of monthly program fee is by choice. It is not by force. Admin is not mandating everyone by force to pay the program fee. It is by choice. And don't forget, we have both the billionaire, the millionaire, and the membership program fee. The billionaire program fee is 8 grains of gold. The millionaire program fee is 4 grains of gold. And while the membership fee is just 2 grains. So you can progressively increase your position from 2 grains to 4 grains, thereabout. And don't forget, it is very easy to get this. Once you register into the community, just try to register 2 more people who are of like minds. When they make their program fee payment, you automatically have what is enough to make your own payments. As simple as that. Then payment for monthly program fee is by choice. And payment for billionaire program fee is 8 grains payable in cryptos. And depending on where you reside around the world, the rates of cryptos differs from region to region, country to country. And don't forget, if you're also paying through the car centers and everything, there's also a little charges that are attached to it. So the maximum, no matter how huge the crypto might be, is what? 8 grains for a $30 to $45 to get, including the charges, guys. And with this payment, you are getting 100 TBC per month. Now, take a look at it. One TBC currently gives you 12.8 million, is $12.8 million, and is still rising as the community grows. Therefore, now consider the value of 100 TBC you are being rewarded with for making a monthly fee of just 8 grains. And you are still procrastinating, still delaying, still standing on the fence, claiming how possible it is. It has been proven over the years. 6 years down the lane, TBC is still standing strong and waxing stronger and stronger by the day. Now, know also that the number of TBC you have determines the number of K-Love you'll be given by January 12, 2023. So, if you have 1000 TBC, you will automatically get 1000 K-Love. And for K-Love, it's a public, that's a market coin, the likes of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, etc. So it is tradable on the market and it is presently on the Pancake Swap. You can go there instantly and swap your K-Love. So, guys, you can imagine what you stand to gain by being a member of the crypto community and paying your program fee, and what you are losing at the same time by your refusal to join the community or pay your program fee to acquire more TBC. I want you to consider this great benefit and relieve the abundant wealth in your wallet will bring to you when all the over 30,000 TBC merchants stay counting. Don't forget, begins to accept 20%, 30%, 50%, etc. TBC for payment of for purchases of goods and services. Guys, the abundant benefits and great values in TBC cannot be quantified, as a lot of TBC leaders already had individual plans of great things. Personally, I have a lot of things I'm cooking that is in the pipeline now, coming out in full force, where members can come as little as it is to buy in TBC percentage. Guys, a lot of leaders have a lot of goodies in stock for us all. Everybody's looking towards how to benefit humanity through the help of our TBC. Guys, very soon, our food subsidy center will begin across the world, starting with the most performed countries. Don't forget, we are in the era of meritocracy. And by that, we shall be buying foods and groceries with 50% crinkles and 50% cash. So my sincere and honest advice and appeal to everyone reading this write-up is to get serious and get active in TBC, to acquire more TBC now that is available and is affordable, and enjoy the abundant wealth TBC is offering humanity for now, and also as a good and robust retirement plan for yourself. Don't forget, many of us will soon retire. Many have retired from some active services, now into TBC, and don't forget, very soon, many of us will soon retire. Why? Because then the next thing is to manage every investment and everything that TBC has offered us opportunity to put in place. So, guys, I want you to think wisely now. TBC is my birthright. Don't forget, Sapphire of Joy cares, and that is why I'm bringing you this sincere advice, sincere caution to avoid procrastination, to avoid dilly-dally, and for you to come on board and join the Kringle community. This is my concern, guys. Do all within your best to pay your program fee regularly. If you can pay the annual fee once and for all, fine, go ahead. If you can't pay once, then the next thing for you to do is pay the monthly fee. Every month, pay regularly and come on board. 100 TBC coins for every payment you made. Guys, it's worth it. It's a sacrifice that we all need to pay now. By January 12th, next 2023, guys, get what? Abundance is coming our way. Then by then, we can exchange our kill-off. The kill-off will be released to us, the number of the TBC you have in your wallet. So, guys, don't forget, come on board. Thank you very much for listening to this broadcast. I want you to, if you have not yet subscribed, subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to it for subsequent updates, and also so that you'll be able to get a first hand notification whenever any uh, update is being posted, and at the same time, give a thumb up and a like. Please, bro. Don't forget, share to other of your loved ones, your friends, and for as many of your prospects, share to them. And don't forget, if you wish to join any of our platform for regular updates, information where you can ask questions and a lot of things aside the general TBC meeting with the admin, aside with the blog, there are all a lot of wonderful leaders around to guide you and to help you through. So, guys, it is well. I wish you all the best. Stay blessed. I love you all. Shalom.